Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. So today in this video we are going to talk about something that maybe you have heard before or maybe not, but it is getting more popular now, and that thing is called webinar. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is webinar and how it works, and why people are using webinar these days, and how maybe you can also use it if you want to, or if you need for your work or learning for something. So just stay with me and I will talk about it in simple ways so that you can easily understand. So first of all, let me tell you a little about what is a webinar actually. Now the word webinar comes from two words. One is web and another is seminar. So when you say seminar, you actually think about a classroom or a meeting room where people sit together and listen to someone talking, like a speaker or teacher or a coach, right? So now just imagine that same thing but happening online on the internet and not in a classroom. That is what we call webinar. It is like a seminar but it happens on the web, or you can say on internet. So in a webinar, you can join using your phone or your computer, and you see the speaker on the screen and you can hear them talking, and they can also show you slides or videos or other things that they want to explain. And sometimes, not always, but sometimes you can also talk to them and ask question if they allow. And that is what makes webinar very useful or learning and sharing knowledge, or even doing business meeting without going to any physical place. Now let me tell you how a webinar really works, like step by step. So first, someone who wants to host the webinar, they create a link using platform like Zoom or Google Meet or Microsoft Team, or sometimes even a special webinar platform like Webinar Jam or Demio or GoToWebinar. There are many like that. So they make a link and they share that with the people who want to join. Sometimes it is free and sometimes you have to pay money to join, depending on what the webinar is about. Then when the time comes, you just click on the link, and if you have internet and a device like mobile, laptop, you can join very easily. Most of the time you don't need to download anything, but sometimes maybe you have to install a small app. After joining, you will be in the webinar room and the speaker or host will start talking, and you will see and hear them. If they have prepared something like a slideshow or video or document, they can also show that on the screen. And some webinars also have a chat box where people can type question or comments, and the host can read those and reply them. And sometimes at the end of the webinar, there is a special question and answer time where people can ask directly or type their question, and the host will answer one by one. So that way you don't just listen, but you also feel part of the webinar and you get more value from it. Now you may ask why people are using webinars so much these days. Well, the answer is very simple. It saves time and money. You don't need to travel to another place or another city. Everything happens online. Also, many people from different places can join at the same time. So it is very good for teachers, coaches, business people, product launch, online course, or even for doing company training. So if you ever want to learn something from an expert or attend an online class or event, just search for some good free webinar and you can join and learn from home. Or if you want to give a webinar yourself in future, just remember you need a good internet, a platform to host, and something valuable to say or teach. So that was all about webinar and about what it is and how does it work. I hope now you understand things better. If you still feel confused, you can watch this video again slowly, or you can check the description of the video for more helpful information or tips. And yes, thank you so much for watching the video from Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.